How to log in to Comerica Bank online. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily sign in to your online banking account on Comerica Bank. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference on your computer or your laptops or even your mobile devices, and then in the URL box type in comerica.com and search. You'll end up in the Comerica online banking account's homepage. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. Now, in the expanded menu that appears on the screen, if you are new to Comerica web banking, you can go ahead and enroll to online banking by clicking the enroll button and following through the prompts. If you have an existing account and you'd like to log in and access your online banking account, then you'll need to go ahead and enter your registered user ID in the first field. After typing it down, click on the password field and write down your correct password for your account. If you don't remember the password, you can click the Forgot Password link at the bottom and follow through the instructions to reset your online banking account's password. Finally, after filling in the details, click Login and you will then be able to sign in to your Comerica online banking account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.